In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix CIBC online banking not opening on Windows PC. Let's get started. First, check whether CIBC servers are currently down by searching online for CIBC server status or using outage website like Down Detector. If the servers are operational, move on to the next fix. The first solution is to try a different browser. Open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox and attempt to access the CIBC website again, because sometimes one browser may have corrupted settings or compatibility issues. Next, clear browsing data. Click on three dots, navigate to the option settings. Head over to the option Privacy and Security. Now navigate to the option Site Settings. Now click on the option Third Party Session. Click on See All Site Data and Permission. Here in the box, type in CIBC. Once it appears, click on this trash icon and confirm it. Now try to access CIBC page. This might fix your issue. Next up, go to the extensions page. You can disable or remove ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions. Now try to reload the CIBC website to see if the issue is fixed. Then you can give a fresh restart to your PC. Then reboot your internet router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. Finally, make sure both your browser and Windows operating system are fully updated, because outdated software can prevent secure banking website from functioning properly. Once you finish all these steps, open your browser again, go back to CIBC online banking, and in most cases, the website would load and work normally without any issues. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.